Do you want to know how to make a delicious, easy, and most importantly, moist walnut cake? Here's the recipe. Alright, let's begin by cracking 2 eggs into a bowl. Following that, we're going to add in 175 grams of a good Greek yogurt. Once you've done that, add in 175 grams of softened butter and 175 grams of caster sugar. Pretty easy to remember, it's just 175 grams of everything, but I'll link everything down below as well. Mix that all together and then take 175 grams of walnuts, whack the walnuts into a cloth, fold it up, and then just go crazy. Release all that inner anger, everything you've been bottling up, just release it all and go crazy. Who said cooking can't be therapeutic? Anyway, once you've smashed your walnuts, we're going to incorporate that into our mixture alongside 175 grams of self-raising flour and half a teaspoon of ground cinnamon. Mix that all together and then we're going to grease a cake tin and pour our cake mixture into there. It's going to go into the oven at 180 for around 35 to 45 minutes, depending on your oven. Just keep checking on it until it's a beautiful golden brown. While that's baking, we're going to work on a syrup that's going to go on top of the cake. 150 grams of caster sugar are going to go into a pot, followed by 250 mils of water and 2 tablespoons of ground coffee or coffee granules. Mix it all together and leave that to simmer on a medium to low heat whilst your cake is baking. Your cake should look like this once it's done, and once it is done, what we're going to do is let it cool down, let it rest for about 10 minutes. Then we're going to go in with a toothpick, or in this case a kebab skewer, and just poke a bunch of holes in it so that it can absorb all that syrup once we pour it on top. Now this is what I want your syrup to look like, this glossy, shiny, beautiful, gloopy, silky syrup. We're going to lather that all over the cake and it's going to fall into those holes that we poked in to ensure that you get the most moist, yes I said it, the most moist walnut cake. I'm going to top it off with some fresh walnuts that we just crumple with our hands, a dollop of Greek yogurt, and there you have it. There's your most amazing, delicious walnut cake. Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, and share the video with a friend.